But when it's a person that we have emotional attachment to, or a situation you have emotional attachment to, we have to, humans, I've noticed, work much better when they can release those emotions and actually be vulnerable in them. So that's important. And yet, like you said, you get the pinging effect, which is when that emotion's happening and this one's happening and that one, then suddenly there's even more emotion. And that can start to be overwhelming because there's so much of it going on. And then where is your piece? Like, where is your way of processing those emotions in amongst it all? Which,
I think it made it hard to process because in a weird way, it was hard to process because was putting myself on repeat watching stuff.
but it can be really challenging individually. You're almost better off turning it all off, getting through the process, and then watching it later.
It was a completely different viewing experience.